All right, let's look at a short video on the note-taking methods. Note-taking methods are important not only for reading but also listening. And note-taking is a very valid one because in all the exams, whether it is GRE or GMAT or SAT or even the language proficiency test, you are provided with a sheet of paper or sometimes erasable noteboard. All that is to mean that you're expected to take notes. So you can't remember everything you read, and not every detail is important. So you have to extract the structure of what is that you're reading, and sometimes you also have to flash that structure with the key ideas and the supporting supplementary details. So this is the reason these note-taking skills, paraphrasing skills, and summarizing skills, they are very, very important. So they are taught during the school and to some extent in the college, but they're not very much focused. But they become very important when you're preparing for these high stakes exams. So I'm just providing you here with some guidelines on certain methods that are very popular, and you'll have to do some additional work based on what you get here. So very easiest one that we undertake is, as you see, there are four: keyword method, charting, outlining, and cornell method. So let me just explain each of them in a very brief way. Keyword method, I think we are all very good at focusing on these keyword important words. They may be important because they carry meaning, or sometimes they are just important because they focus on the question. So technical words, names, numbers, you can always underline, circle, or make a note of them, and then you can view the your understanding around the keywords. It's very effective. And the charting. Okay, so the charting could be a table, a flow chart, a cloud, or this is also popular as mind mapping, like with main idea. For example, you can see that table, rows, columns, and headings. You have to have the structure in place first, and then you just have to fill in the respective columns and headings according to the information available there. So it's easy to review. You can look at the structure immediately, and whenever the information is presented in terms of steps and categories and main headings, under main headings, you can go with this. So most of the academic material can go under charting. And outlining is where you have the interlinking of ideas that are built around a major point. So this is about logical organization, connecting the major with the micro. So it will be very easy for you to look at the big picture and also the nitty-gritty of the interlink of the ideas, but it calls for a high high level of skills in note taking. And the recent one is this Cornell method, and where you divide a sheet between two columns. On the right hand column, you record the details, and then on the left hand column, you make the major ideas. So the major ideas in the left-hand column is elaborated, and so that after once you take the notes, you'll be able to recite, recall, and then you can reflect, and then you can also mm, recapitulate and review, and that way you have a very thorough understanding of the entire lecture, of what you listen or what you have drawn, and then that will be able to help you to answer the questions that are at a very detailed level. It may be a reasoning test, it may be a language proficiency test. So note-taking skills always makes a difference. Please work on them and try to gather more information on that. And meanwhile, if you're preparing for any of the tests of language proficiency or reasoning tests, do talk to us, because this is our methodology and this is how we've been training and coaching students with excellent scores. So I hope you found the video helpful, you learned something, and thank you for your time and interest in the topic, and we look forward to interact with you. Thank you very much.